our developers. You will be able to deliver deeply integrated experiences built on the unparalleled performance of the BlackBerry 10 OS and taking full advantage of our next generation user interface engine, Cascades, which we acquired as part of our move with the Astonishing Tribe. We'll talk about that soon. In addition to Cascades and native C++, developers will have choice and flexibility to build on our HTML5 application platform that provides full compatibility with BlackBerry 5, 6, 7, as well as with Playbooks. So you do have a future-proof option when you're building for BlackBerry 10 that carries over and can target the entire ecosystem of BlackBerry users. We'll also continue to support Adobe Air and the Android runtime, which we're making available now with Playbook 2.0 when you go forward with BlackBerry 10. So BlackBerry 10, we are as committed as ever to open standards and meeting developers on their turf, on their terms, and driving your content into our ecosystem. And we are really walking the walk here when it comes to supporting cross-platform development and open standards. At DEF CON Americas, we announced an open source initiative where we basically opened up a repository on GitHub, and we contributed ourselves a couple of dozen of open source libraries for you as developers to be able to use. We've also engaged and encouraged the community to participate. So we have a huge collection of open source capabilities that are being brought to the platform that you as developers will be able to leverage. In fact, our entire web platform, so the WebWorks framework, which takes HTML5 outside the browser in a secure environment, and our Ripple web IDE is all being done as open source development out there in the open. So we are really committed to driving this open community commitment. In terms of the BlackBerry 10 native SDK, it's not surprising then that we would build on a solid foundation of open standards. And one of the key libraries that we're building on is Qt. So as you heard from Lars earlier, Qt gives us a mature, stable, robust app framework that provides C++ plumbing for native apps. All the basics that you need, from objects to attributes to events to IPC. And then we drop a little magic on top. We have a new UI framework called Cascades, which we acquired in our purchase of the Astonishing Tribe. And this gives you some mind-blowing signature effects, so 3D and physics and animation, all baked into the core controls and optimized for mobile computing. So what I'd like to do now is welcome Jeff Lejeune to the stage to introduce you to the Cascades UI framework. Jeff?